Hello, I'm ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an SEO expert and owner of a Google partner company. We even help with landing page and web development as well. So today I'm here with a new question. But before I get started, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So without wasting any further time, let's get started on the question today I have. And the question today I have is, hello, I am trying to get plumber leads in my campaign, and I am noticing that 75% of the searches and clicks have to do with plumbing stores rather than plumbing services. Lots of search queries are, for example, plumbing New York, but they are actually searching for plumbing stores in New York. So I want to add a negative keyword to block any search query that has a word plumbing in it, but I do not want to affect any of the plumber terms. My question is, should I add plumbing as a phrase match as a negative keyword, negative term? Okay, to answer this question, just a second. So to answer this question, you first need to understand that if there are any keywords for your targeted traffic which can come with the word plumbing, if yes, that's true, that if yes that's true, then I do not recommend adding plumbing as a negative keyword, but rather focus on the right. But since you said that more people are coming for stores, why don't you add the word store as a negative keyword? So my suggestion would be to add store as a negative keyword. Try to understand, your also can get a potential visitor from the word plumbing, if that is true. But if that is not true, then you can also add plumbing as a negative keyword as a general. You do not need to put any phrase or exact match while adding. Just put the dash before adding it, so this can help you. And this, but you can also look on your search terms eventually to find out new data. But to get a new data, you can find out new keywords which you can potentially add, target, or you can potentially exclude as a negative keywords, and that can help you. That is the process of ongoing campaign optimization. So in case if you need our me and my team company help in that regards, we are ready to help you. The details are in the description of this video. So thank you for watching, and I hope it answers your question and query. So yeah, take care and bye bye.